Hi folks, let's take a quick look at what we have here on the Blacktop template, or what we're calling it is the Index Jump To menu. So any templates that would use it's going to be located at the bottom of the window, and all it really does is jump to a section within the page, because this is actually, in this example, this template is a one-page landing page. So you could actually just use this for your sales page or whatever. All of our latest templates include these one-page landing pages, so if you really want to sell up your information or not have a lot of secondary subpages in your site, you can go with that. Long story short though, to make that update or edits, we're going to I'm just going to jump in here and close down the previous pages I had opened, and we're going to go into the library, the shared, and we're going to open up the menu index. So if you see a menu index, that means it's that jump to menu only for the index page. Just open that up, and there's our buttons right there. What's new, features, services, team, and social. And how this works is when we click on a button, it goes to a certain section within the page. We do that by creating an anchor link within the page. Let me show you what that is. Here's our services link right here. I'm going to switch to code view so we can take a look at what that link actually says. The link actually says, or goes to a # and then home services. So it's an ID of home services. If I open up my index page here, I'm going to cheat a little bit, and I'm going to use the find tool in Expression Web to find that section in the page. But just to demonstrate, we're going to double click on home services. We're just going to copy that for now, go to our index page, Control F on the keyboard, punch in home services, current page, and find next. And you'll see right here we have an A tag. It's a hyperlink, but the ID is home services, and that is how the link in the menu index knows where to go or scroll to on the index page itself. If you look over here at the scroll bar, we're well over halfway down the page, and this is the services section right here. Our services need some help. And if I preview this in a browser, right, we'll scroll down, and there it is. Our services need some help. We have the phones right here, and basically that's how we connect it. You can go into your menu index page right here. You can just simply rename the buttons. Basically it says home services. You could just rename this to really whatever you wanted to, as long as you change that name in the index page as well. So from home services, you could just simply, and it always has to have the #, my section, just for fun, right? And as long as my section here matches up with this ID here, we'll put in my section. When somebody clicks on this particular link for services, it will always take them to this. So that's basically how it's made up. And of course, you can change this from services to my section, and that's the text that you would see in the actual button, as you see right there. And of course, if you want to add more buttons, you would just simply copy, and I suggest you do this in the code view here, is you copy an existing one, paste it, right, change the ID here, change the name, and then in the index page, make sure you have, wherever you want to jump to in the page, make sure you have copy one of these A tags right here. For example, we could pop this right up here if we wanted to, and then when somebody clicked on my section, they'd go to this one. This one we'd have to name something else, so you can't have two of the same on the same page, obviously. I hope that explains it.